In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp web calling not working. Let's get started. First thing you should do is check your browser permission. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Now click on the option Site Settings. Here you're going to find the option of microphone and camera. Click on the drop down for each one and set it to allow. Another common issue is that another application is already using your microphone or camera. If you have apps like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or any other video connecting software running in the background, close them completely, then return to WhatsApp web and try making the call again. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection or you can switch between networks. Likewise, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. In case you are connected to any VPN, you'll need to disable it. Next thing you want to do is clear cache and cookies for your browser. For that, click on three dots. Go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Navigate to the option Site Settings, click on View Permission. Now here, search for WhatsApp Web. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. With these, your problem might be fixed. Or what you want to do is check extensions over here. In case you find any suspicious extension that might be causing the issue, you will need to remove or temporarily disable it. Next thing you want to do is, instead of using the WhatsApp web, you can switch to WhatsApp desktop application. You can launch your Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp and install it and use it. So that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.